Let's take a look at finding the sum of a geometric sequence. Let's find the sum S sub n of the first n terms of the following sequence. We have 1/3 plus 2/3 plus 2 squared over 3 plus 2 cubed over 3, so on. We could write this sequence using summation notation as well. This would be the same thing as going from a k value of 1 to n of 1/3 times 2 to the power k minus 1. We can identify our first term as 1/3. Let's go ahead and find our common ratio. I'm going to use my second term and my first term, and when I divide those out, I'm going to get a common ratio of 2. The sum S sub n of the first n terms of our sequence is going to be represented by this formula. S sub n equals a sub 1 times our fraction 1 minus r to the power n on top, and for our denominator, 1 minus r. R in this case cannot be equal to 0 or 1. Let's go ahead and plug in our first term and our common ratio. Then we can go ahead and simplify this. In our denominator, 1 minus 2 is going to give us a negative 1. And we can pull this negative 1 out in front, multiplying it by this 1/3. So our sum, S sub n, can be written as negative 1/3 times the quantity 1 minus 2 to the power n. If you want to distribute this negative through your set of parentheses, you could also write this as 1/3 times the quantity 2 to the power n minus 1.